Hey guys, what's up? The day that we've been waiting for is finally here. Never thought that I'd see a Traxxas Sport kit without all the electronics, and they finally did it. It's good to see that Traxxas listened and released this kit, so I'm really excited. I finally get to build a TRX4 from scratch, and let's take a look and unbox this sucker. Here's the box. The side of the box, and shows what the kit includes and what you'll need. Look at the chassis. Just some marketing material on the portals. The back of the box. All the accessories that are included with this kit, which is a really nice touch. Expedition rack, Canyon Trail tires, GTS shocks. And just kind of open this up. And this is how it comes packed up. Let's go through these pieces one by one. Here we've got the Canyon Trails tires. Looks like they're already mounted on the wheel, but I don't think they're glued on. Yep, they are not glued on yet, so you will have the chance to kind of do your thing with them, replace the foams or whatnot. Now this is a really cool addition to this kit, and I'm really glad that they included it. Basically, they give you that expedition rack with all the scale details that you had to buy separately with the TRX4 Sport. I had already planned on buying this, but since the kit comes with it, perfect. So you can see all the scale details in there. The bumper. Here's the sport body. It's already pre-cut, which is fantastic. One of the things I hate most about building kits is cutting out the Lexan body. So it's really nice that they've already done it. Okay. Suspension link bag. All the links are already built, so I guess you don't have to put them together, which is alright, because putting the links together isn't exactly the most fun part either. I mean, sometimes it could be kind of a pain. This is our TRX4 electronics bag. Basically what that means, it's just the pieces that kind of hold the electronics, because you don't get any electronics with this kit. Look at that. You got a metal servo horn right there. Very nice. Transmission bag. So it looks like the parts are very nicely laid out and organized, which is always a good thing. It's good when you don't have to hunt for pieces. It looks like all the steps have all the parts packaged together, the screws and whatever parts are needed for that step. Here's the front axle bag. The bearings are there. Here's the rear axle bag. Spread this out a little bit. See? Some gears. You see the gears in there. Housing, bearings, hardware. These are for the drive shafts. They call this the driveline bag. Your pins, basically your drive shafts. Let's see here. This is the chassis bag. It's got some bumper mounts, the sliders, chassis braces, the shock mounts right there. Frame rails, TRX4 frame rails, pretty solid. C-channel. Some grease, hand tools. Spool bag. Okay. Diff gear. Spools. Bearings. Traxxas GTS shocks. And let's see, springs here. 2, 3, 4, 4 springs. So just the front and the rear springs. I thought I heard it came with extra springs, but I guess not. Here's the bag for the manual. And the decals, the body pins. Let's take a quick look at the manual for a second. I've heard it's really nicely detailed. So it's kind of interesting what the manual of a traditionally RTR company looks like. Oh, look at that. A very nice manual, all colored and very descriptive. Good job. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Stay tuned, I will be doing a build series on this kit, and you'll be able to see the parts in more detail in the build series. Other than that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.